I got asked this question this morning. How can I go dark on LinkedIn? Now let me define what going dark means. It doesn't mean delete your account. It just means turn off all the notifications, stop people from sending you invites, stop people from tagging you and mentioning you. Just simply have a LinkedIn profile, but you don't want anybody to engage with you in any way. Or more importantly, you don't want to be bothered by any engagement that they could do. Let me show you a couple things that are worth understanding. So if I go to my settings, basically all I did right here is go to me and click on settings and privacy, and I'm right here, settings and privacies. So first of all, the big one is under account preferences, close the account. You could totally close your LinkedIn account if you want to and get off of LinkedIn and move on and go do something totally different if you would like. However, you don't have to. You could also hibernate your account. Now, this is assuming that there's going to come a day in the future where you want to unhibernate. You want to come back to life. So you could do that as well, again, if you intend to bring your account back and start using it. But if you don't want to close it, and you don't plan on hibernating and coming back to life, then here's a few of the things you could think about. So first of all, let's turn off all the noise. Let's turn off all the notifications. So you need to go through each one of these and you need to turn off everything. You just turn it off at the top. You shouldn't have to turn it off down below if you turn it off the top. But go into each individual option here and turn them all off. Project work, turn it all off. And you've got to walk through every page and turn off the notifications so you stop all of the noise. The next thing you might want to do is turn off the ability for people to send you invites to connect. So if I go to data privacy, right here, invitations to connect, you could change that to only people who appear in your imported contacts, or people who know your email address. So this would really limit, if not severely turn off, any new LinkedIn invites. You could also turn off under invitations from your network. You could turn off no more no more event invites, no more subscribe to newsletter invites, and no more follow my page invites. You could turn all that off as well. Again, that's under data privacy, who can reach you, invitations connect, invitations from your network. Look, I also have messages. So I could say, I don't want any messages. So you turn that off. Allow others to send you message request notifications. You could turn all this off so you don't get any messages. And the last thing is research invites. I turn that off. I leave it on, but maybe you don't want any of that messaging. So turn all of that off. You might want to go down through messaging experience, focused inbox, turn that off. You might want to turn off read receipts, turn that off. Just walk through all of this. Message nudges, you turn all that off if you want to, so you're not getting bothered by anything through this. One more I missed under visibility, mentions and tags. You may want to turn that off so you don't get mentioned or tagged. You might want to turn off notify connections when you're in the news, in the event that you show up in the news. Hide that. And the other one here I forgot is manage active status and share profile updates, which you may not be doing. You might turn all that off. This is all about going dark on LinkedIn. So your profile stays out there. So your network stays out there. Any content you put out there or have put out there stays out there. And you can keep using LinkedIn, but you're going to turn off all of this ability for people to engage with you, message you, send you invites, etc., etc. Keep your profile, but basically make it dormant. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.